Hello dear students, today we are going to start a new topic by the name of thermodynamics. First of all, before studying thermodynamics, you should know that thermo means heat, है ना? And dynamics means motion, है ना? In this topic, we are going to study about the motion of heat. Actually, in this world, the most unorganized form of energy is heat, है ना? बाकी all the other things are organized. Only heat is that part of energy which remains always unorganized, है ना? Before starting the topic, let me introduce this topic by some other way. For example, from the very beginning, humans tried to control this part of energy or heat, है ना? Since we have a lot of things in the home where heat is required, maybe you can say for cooking, है ना? For cleaning, cooking, lot of things are there in your nearby places where heat energy is required, है ना? So humans from very beginning wants that energy to be controlled. कितना हीट चाहिए कितने प्रोसेस को गर्म करने के लिए. फॉर एग्जांपल you have heard about of thermal plant, है ना? Thermal plant is that place where the energy from coal, है ना, by combustion of coal we used to convert it into uh, uh, mechanical energy in the form of heating of water, and when water heats, then vapor evaporates, and this vapor has got tremendous amount of energy. And you know very well, in fact the recently uh, trains, है ना, steam engines used to work from that steam only, है ना? And maybe you can rotate turbine in order to produce electricity. So in order to produce electricity you want heat energy. In order to move a steam engine you need heat energy. So what amount of heat energy is required and how can we make it 100% useful, है ना? We don't want to waste any joule of energy in the form of heat, है ना? So in order to understand that type of work, heat, internal energy, etc., we are going to introduce a new topic in the name of thermodynamics. From now you are going to understand this topic. Now let's start as usual. Thermodynamics, maybe you cannot see this thing, I have already written here thermodynamics. So first start with the definition. Thermodynamics deals with various forms of energy and their interconversion in physical or chemical changes. It also helps in predicting feasibility of a process or reaction under given condition. Means we are going to study the forms of energy and their interconversion, है ना? Either it is going to happen in a physical change or in a chemical change. And in this topic we will also study the feasibility. Feasibility means either the reaction is going to complete, or either it will never complete its product part. Means if someone says that this is a reactant and reactant is going to convert into product, so they earlier there was no method to determine either this reactant will completely convert into product or how much time it would take. For example, let me take one more example, like graphite converts into diamond. Graphite or the coal converts into diamond, but you know very well this process is very long, है ना? ऐसा नहीं है कि you just bury a part of coal in the earth and the next day you are expecting to have a diamond. This is not possible. But according to thermodynamics will tell you that either this process is possible or not, है ना? This is the part of thermodynamics we are going to study. Now, as you know, this complete setup is new for me. I am trying to cope up with this new environment, and I am sure you will cooperate with us. later on, maybe after 15 or 16 November, the offline module will start resume. So, in order to understand the feasibility and the interconversion of energy from physical or chemical changes, we are going to learn this thing in the topic name of thermodynamics. Now, in order to understand thermodynamics, we have to understand few basic things which are compulsory. So, first we are going to study is basic terms used in thermodynamics. So, what are those basic things? First of all, we are going to understand about system. So what is system? System is that part of thermodynamical study which are under our observation. मतलब जिस चीज को हम ऑब्जर्व करने जा रहे हैं, जिस भी चीज को, that will be called as thermo system, है ना. For example, whenever you will become doctor, then the patient is you do not pronounce your patient as a Ram Singh or Mr. Krishna. You used to denote our name called subject, है ना. We call them subject. Subject is that part where we are going to study about. So at the same time, the part which is under observation or the part which we are going to study about is known as system, है ना. So I have already written here, part of the universe under thermodynamics study is known as system. So when you are going to study about system, then you have to know there are three types of system. First is open system. Open system are those systems where energy, है ना, energy may be in the form of heat or maybe in the form of work. ठीक है, this is known as energy. And matter. Matter means whatever the content of that system is. Both can exchange between system and surrounding. For example, maybe you all have experienced this thing. Let us assume this is a beaker. We are going to make tea, है ना, and we are heating this thing. So what will you observe? That whenever we supply heat, then what happens? This is our system, है ना. This thing is our system. So system has got two maybe इसको कैसे बताऊँ, जैसे सिस्टम जब आप इसे हीट करते हैं, then what happens? Heat also liberates from here, है ना. At the same time, water also evaporates, है ना. Water भी evaporate करता है, and at the same time, heat also evaporates from the system. And as water is evaporating, and water is the matter of this system, है ना. So this is open system. Just boil your cup of tea, है ना. तो क्या होगा? सिस्टम में से मैटर भी गायब होगा, साथ में हीट भी जाएगी. दैट इज नोन एज ओपन सिस्टम, है ना. बोथ कैन एक्सचेंज बिटवीन सिस्टम एंड सराउंडिंग. नाउ ये पूरा पार्ट सिस्टम है और इसके चारों तरफ का पार्ट अप टू इनफाइनाइट इज नोन एज यूनिवर्स, सॉरी सराउंडिंग. नाउ क्लोज सिस्टम. अब क्लोज सिस्टम क्या है? अगर मैं इसी सिस्टम के ऊपर मैं एक लीड लगा दूं, है ना, एक एयर टाइट लीड. लीड मीन्स ढक्कन. यहाँ पे वाटर है and I am going to heat this system. Then what will you observe? That maybe heat is radiating from this system, but water cannot escape. Means matter is not exchanging between system and surrounding, but at the same time heat in the form of energy is radiating from the system. So here matter is not being exchanged, whereas energy is being exchanged between system and surrounding. So now the third thing is isolated system. Isolated system, by the name you can already understand that isolated means whenever something is isolated means no one is going to check that out. So neither energy nor matter exchange takes place between system and surrounding, है ना. इसमें कुछ भी एक्सचेंज नहीं हो रहा है. You know very well, ideally there is no possible system where nothing can escape, है ना. एनर्जी इन द फॉर्म एक्सचेंज हो सकती है, साथ में मैटर भी एक्सचेंज हो ही जाता है. तो इसका एग्जांपल है थर्मस फ्लास्क, है ना. एज यू नो, व्हेनेवर यू आर हैविंग अ टी, है ना, जब भी आप टी चाय पीते हैं तो यू नो वेरी वेल समटाइम्स tea is fresh and sometimes it is placed in a thermos flask, है ना. Thermos flask is that kind of system which usually do not make matter to escape. Only energy in the form of heat escapes out, but it is a very low process. That is why we used to keep our hot tea or whatever cold drink in their thermos flask. So but the ideal isolated system is the universe. As you know, all the universe, है ना, यूनिवर्स के आगे का हमें नहीं पता, है ना. यूनिवर्स अगर एक सिस्टम है तो यूनिवर्स के आगे वो कभी कुछ भी एक्सचेंज नहीं करता है ना. तो अगर आपसे कोई कहे कि आइडियल आइसोलेटेड सिस्टम, डू यू नो एनी एग्जांपल ऑफ एन आइडियल आइसोलेटेड सिस्टम, देन यू मस्ट टेल देम दैट इट इज यूनिवर्स. आई हैव ऑलरेडी रिटन हियर perfect isolated system. Now as you know, we have studied all three types of system. Now the turn comes for surrounding. Surrounding is whatever the part outside system is known as surrounding, and part of the universe other than system is called surrounding. So that is all the basic intro. अब फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर मैं इसको हिंदी में समझाऊँ तो जैसे सम ऑफ यू हैव drove a bicycle, or bicycle छोड़ो, let me take an example for like a bike, है ना. Bike, two-wheeler bike, है ना. You know very well, whenever you place your legs nearby engine, you feel warm, है ना. तो you can easily assume that energy is being dissipated, and whenever you want perfection, you don't want that part of energy to be dissipated, है ना, because that is lost of our fuel, है ना. तो energy dissipate हो रही है. sometimes in the silencer of bike you feel धुआं like system, fog like system, so that is also a loss of energy. So from the very beginning we are trying to conserve that energy. We don't want to lose it formally, है ना. तो आइडियल सिस्टम क्या होगा? आइडियल सिस्टम वो होगा जो एनर्जी लूज नहीं करता. सो लेट अस टेक अदर थिंग्स, है ना. आई होप यहाँ पे लाइट वगैरह अच्छी होगी. आई एम जस्ट ट्राइंग माई बेस्ट.